Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications on the Samsung.com website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. Go to your homepage and tap on this profile button at the top of the screen in the right side and then tap on your name. After that, you should scroll down to this settings section, and here you can turn on notifications by tapping on this first button. So tap on it and then you will be required to type in your password to turn it on, and you can also tap on this customized ads option. So basically that's it. Here you can read about it in more details, and so your notifications have been enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.